On the Smart, take off the outer trim of the tailgate. Unclip the cover of the door lock. Then open the inner cover of the trunk lid and remove the 2 screws. To simplify the next steps, loosen the cover of the door lock with a wedge. Eight screws are your next target. On the panel, disconnect the 2 connectors for the number plate light, and the outer trim can be easily removed. With that, your first job is done. We continue with the check rod, which you need to disconnect before removing the left lock. To free the check rod, undo the screw in the lock striker. If you replace both check rods, you must remove one after the other. Now we continue with the side door lock of the tailgate. For this, first undo the screw on the tailgate lock. Now unhook the control cable and remove the left door lock from the tailgate. All 3 jobs are finished once you've checked all the locks by doing a mechanical functions test after the replacement.